Yo, what's up, Fomo fam? And what's up, what do you mean, fam? Today I would like to look at DexCheck. I haven't checked DexCheck yet, but we're gonna review it right now because I always like to review the projects that I probably gonna invest in. And what do you mean is, of course, my project, and the utility is that we invest in crypto pre-sales and give the profits to the what do you meme holder. So what do you meme down in the description below. So let's take a look. Is it worth to invest in DexCheck? Now, of course, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification, and let's get right into it. So DexCheck, haven't prepared it, saw it, shot it. All right, so I'm looking at this from Enjinstarter right now. They're gonna release an Enjinstarter. They're gonna release on a couple of other projects, I think, as well. So we're gonna take a look at that. And yeah, with what do you mean? We have like $8,000 invested in Enjinstarter, and this is gonna be the first or one of the first projects that we invest in as a project. So might be pretty cool. What I like about Enjinstarter, optional refund, right? So if you feel like I just want a refund, then you can just claim your refund. So cool. What's there to see? Yeah, they're gonna launch on the Binance Smart Chain, so I really don't care about that. Like if it's Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, I prefer Binance Smart Chain, cheaper to claim. This could be worse, to be honest. Initial supply 60 million, total supply 1 billion, so that's like 14 times token investing. Yeah, a lot of new projects, they do like 30 times token investing. Then I'm a little more concerned. What's also pretty cool, they start with an initial market cap of $206,000. I think that's excluding liquidity. So with the liquidity, it's going to be a bit higher. The total raise all around is $2.3 million. So they're going to raise a lot of money. Most money is not raised by or via Enjinstarter. So we won't probably get a huge allocation. It's just $150,000. Vesting 12% at TGE. 2 months cliff, that means you have to wait for 2 months, you get nothing, and then you get them over 6 months. So the goal for me is basically, sorry, my math sucks at this point, it's been a long day, but my goal always, and also for what do you mean now, is getting an 8.3x out of it. Why? Then you have your initial investment back, right? And then everything you get is pure profit. So that's quite the goal right there. Now, if I look at their Twitter, they are followed by a couple of people that I follow. So they're followed by Poolz Finance. They might launch there as well. They're followed by ChainGPT, and they're going to launch on the ChainGPT Launchpad as well. That's a new Launchpad, right? ChainGPT released their Launchpad. No experience with it yet, so personally I staked a couple of tokens so I can participate just to see how it goes, if it's actually worth it, how their Launchpad works, and if it's really good we can also invest heavily through what do you mean. But this is also pretty cool. This is the founder of Seedify. So there's a chance that Seedify also releases this project. Now that would be pretty nice because these are you know, Enjinstarter, big project, big Launchpad. Poolz quite big. ChainGPT is quite big already, not even as a Launchpad, but just as a project. Yeah, Seedify is the biggest, so it would be really cool. So let's check crypto rank, because these new launches usually already are to be found right here. So Dex, yeah, here we go. So let's see what we can find. It's not updated yet. So they're going to release on Poolz Finance as well. And I already hate what I see. Here it says 15% unlocked at TGE. And then released over 9 months. But Enjinstarter says this. So someone doesn't have their shit together. I hate that. I'm really autistic. But yeah, if one platform says this and another says that, then what is it going to be? I don't know, but yeah, Poolz Finance is going to raise a lot more money. Poolz Finance is interesting. It's really interesting. Market cap 462k right here. Fully diluted 8 million. Circulating supply also is not the same. It's really bad that they don't have all of that together. Let me check. All right, it's hard to read. So we're going to participate in the IDO. Well, 12, 15%, whatever the fuck. private round get a lot of tokens as well. They get 5% and less invested over 12 months. So they are standing in our way a little bit. Team gets nothing, then a 6%, 6-month cliff. So the team, and then 24 months. So I'm not worried about team dumping on pre-sale investors. Let me see, marketing, liquidity, okay, cool. CEX listing, nice. Staking, KOLs. Yeah, okay. Well, there's not a lot of competition for the pre-sale holders, so that's quite good. Now, what is it? Let's take a look at it. So, yeah, what we already seen is they do have quite a following already. So that's nice. They're out here since July 2021 as well. So what I always like to do is scroll back, because they also promote like, oh yeah, we're something with AI. Yeah, if they already started tweeting about that before January this year, then I'm more bullish, because that's since then everybody's bullish about AI. And then I feel like, yeah, if you're switching that quick, I don't really know how good that is. But shit, this is a lot of scrolling. They tweet way too much, man. Fuck that. But they are out there. Let me check. They do get a lot of interaction. So from what I hear, it's kind of like Dex Tools or Dex View, but way better. And that might actually be good. That might actually be a product that this might, yeah, I like it. They tweet about a lot of partnerships as well, by the way, what I really like. Yeah, they crazy active, man. They're really active. I am not going scrolled away all the way back there, but they are super active, so I really like that. Let's go into their Telegram. See how that is going. Let me check. What I also always do is fucking up my fingers right here. I'm just scrolling because I always look at the date and the amount of members. So I can just make up like, okay, are people active compared to the amount of people that are actually in the group? And the answer is no. But maybe Telegram is not their main channel, though. Maybe they're more of Discord or Twitter or whatever. The What Do You Meme group, our group, has like 800 members and they are more active. So with 20,000, I expected a little more activity. But okay, it's not a big deal, but it is something that I always like to keep in consideration. Let's take a look at their website. Unlock success, AI boosted analytics for crypto, NFT, crypto and NFT. NFT is also crypto, kind of. Supercharge your crypto and NFT trades with DexCheck, an enhanced blockchain analysis and data-driven trading tool on an unified platform. I think that is something we do really need. I also think that there are a lot of platforms that are already doing this, but none of those are really hitting the mainstream yet. If this is the one, will be cool. So what are the features? Token analytics, delve into data, advanced analytics, interactive charts, and elevate your decisions. Top crypto traders, discover top crypto performers, learn strategies, refine your trading acumen. Insights GPT, Pro AI. Okay, so I think that's already a part of the token utility that you, it's just like TradingView, right? If you have TradingView, you can use the basics, but if you want to use a little more, better, whatever, indicators and such, you have to pay for it. Yeah, it's something that I pay for and a lot of people pay for, so why not for this as well? Your AI-powered something edge index tracking and smart money analysis. Okay, crypto whales tracker. Yeah, we already have something like that, but that's cool, of course, to have it all on one platform. Track major investors, so that's cool. If you see a whale, yeah, that guy or girl, whatever, is not rich for no reason, right? They probably trade well. If you can follow them, nice, right? Top NFT traders and address analyzer. Yeah, cool. All right, this is pretty insane. This is really interesting. This is interesting because I'm not saying this is interesting because like, oh, their token can do very well, but I actually and honestly find the platform interesting. That's what you need. So they integrate a lot of blockchains. driven by DCK token. So yeah, what are the advantages for the token? Unlocking pro functionalities, of course, influence through DAO governance, okay, competitive APY, okay, community airdrops, opportunities and access, premium group and support. So their token doesn't have a huge use case. I'm more bullish about the platform than the token itself, to be honest. But you know, who knows what kind of utilities they will add. Tokenomics, we kind of already seen that. Partners, OKX, OKC chain, KCC, that's the chain of Kucoin, Unicrypt, Go Plus, okay, not that interesting. Trusted by industry leaders, Polygon developers, Vendor Foundation, Kucoin, Kronos. Okay, they all take them seriously, so that's good. What is DexCheck? Yeah, we know that now. Okay, yeah. All right, nice. I don't know where the team is, but okay, nice. So the platform is already out as well, and that's what I like. They already have it, right? They already have it. So let me check. Coin market cap. Let me go to my token. Right? What do you mean? And let me check if I can find something about my token on this platform. Okay, so you see price chart, you see like, oh, is it a honeypot or no? Like all the basics, the sellers, the holders. So this is like Dex view, right? Or Dex tools right here. So I don't see anything different so far. Yeah, you have this is pretty cool, by the way, where you can just say like, okay, I want to put $2,000 in, then what do I get? So that's pretty nice. But yeah, I don't know, it's quite cool. I think this could be the mainstream token analyzer, right? Like everybody now uses Poolcoin and all that kind of nonsense. But it's quite funny. You can just look at the buys right here. You can analyze an address, and you can also see what else they hold, how much profit or loss they have on that. You know, what's the realized profit, so what they actually took as a loss, and what's the unrealized profit, so how it's sitting right now, but they haven't cashed it out yet. So yeah, when it comes to that, this guy is not so good at trading MetaVPet. But that's all kind of stuff that you can see right here. You can see the holders right here, which is pretty cool. You can see all the buyers, I think. Let me the total bought last 30 days. Oh yeah, so that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So you can also see how much USDT they are currently holding. That's quite nice. You can buy it right here, by the way. Shit, I clicked it away, but you can even buy it right here. You don't even need PancakeSwap, right? You just connect your wallet, and where did I have it? I saw a buy function somewhere. Swap, right? Here you can swap it. So that's pretty cool as well. So nice. Yeah, like that's the token analysis or analytics. It's not like that different from what's already there. There's a little bit more information, right? How old the token is, all the links are automatically there. Yeah, supply, fully diluted should be a fee for, I think, there, but fully diluted market cap, total supply, daily volume, holders liquidity, and all of that. Yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. I think this could be pretty cool. Could be pretty big. Token unlocks. Awesome. Finally. So there is a website, tokenunlocks.app, and it shows you the unlock. So it shows you the vesting of a lot of tokens, right? So if you want to know, like, oh, I invest in, can you also just search here? It should be possible to search here, right? CoinGecko rank. Well, I don't know about that, why you can't search here yet, but yeah, you can see when the next unlocks are. For example, I don't know, Silica, right? There is $40,000 locked, and that will unlock in a day, and then you can click check, and you can see the complete tokenomics. This is really an all-in-one platform. I like it. Inside GPT, yeah, that's a pro function, of course, so we can't use that yet, but if you hold the tokens, you can. iDexfolio. So I think you can manage your own portfolio right here. Arbitrage scanner, BRC20 tracker. Okay. Yeah. It's nice. I do feel like who's the team? Like, is there a white paper? Media kit, I think. Cover, no, that's a media kit. Like, where's the white paper? I want to know who the team is though, because it's white paper. Oh, it's there. Okay. Team. Okay. So I'm not that bullish on this part because they just put in a front name, like, hey, I'm Rev, and this is a little bit of what I've done, right? Put your full first name, last name, picture, you know, information, links. This is not being doxed, right? Maybe they're doxed somewhere else, by the way, but I guess that if you have your Gitbook, it should be there. So team looks pretty anonymous to me. Like, just like some of the renowned crypto projects, including PancakeSwap, BuySwap, Light of Finance, DeFi Llama, GMX, more. Yeah, okay, so they have chosen to stay anonymous because common trend in the world of cryptocurrency where individuals often value their privacy and anonymity. I don't know. I feel like that's a little bullshit. If you don't want to be out there, then you should not make a project. If you run a company, then you also the face of your company, right? It's not necessarily a bad thing. I mean, PancakeSwap is running fine, but I just don't see the benefit here. Privacy, right? Like whatever. Roadmap. Yeah. Oh, mobile app. Perfect. Portfolio stress tool. Develop an AI-powered stress testing dashboard to stimulate potential market scenarios on user portfolios. That's cool. Yeah, okay. I do really like the platform. I must say they really have to do a lot to make it really stand out. I think marketing is a big thing right here. They should really focus on that. And really give their token big utility, because I don't really see the big utility of the token. Yeah, to unlock the features. Okay, understandable, but is that going to be enough? Private sales access. Holders are giving an early access to new platform features, investments opportunities, private sales selected by DexCheck. Okay, so they also try to be some kind of it's not necessarily pink sale because it's private and you don't need pink sale tokens to participate there, but I do think they try to do a lot at once, and if they pull it off, that's good, but I hope they don't underestimate how much work this all is. Yeah, we have seen this kind of, right? So yeah, this kind of how it looks like. So we get our tokens in 6 months or 9 months according to the other website. I don't know what's the right thing, but that's where a lot of tokens are getting vested already, right? So this is something that I want to sell right away. The red one is, I think, liquidity, right? Liquidity. Yeah, it's liquidity. Yeah. So okay, a lot's going to the liquidity. CEX listing and market making. So that's good. These are not really to be dumped, right? So the tokenomics are not bad. Yeah, it's not bad. Will it do a 10x like we need? 8x, give or take, to get our initial investment back? I don't know. This is quite cool. But I don't know. If I look at the project, I feel like I would pay for it. So I need the tokens. So I would pay to use the platform, I think. but it really depends on what you can do with these features. If it's like, nah, then I will automatically unsubscribe to that, right? If their utility has to be a killer one, right? So that people want to pay for it. And then the other thing, like set marketing, people need to know about it in the first place. Otherwise they cannot do that. So it is like, either it's going to be pretty big, or it's just going to drown somewhere between all the other projects that kind of do the same. But it looks like they do it way better. So I'm quite bullish, cautious as well. When it comes to joining the IDO, yeah, fuck yeah. I mean, it's like on all kind of launchpads with a refund policy anyway, right? And it says something. If you're gonna release on Poolz, on Enjinstarter, on ChainGPT, on maybe on Seedify, I don't know that, by the way, but then yeah, people are they are taking it seriously, and they are willing to invest a lot of money as well. So yeah, this might be this might be good, man. I'm gonna quit the video. I don't know what else to say. Leave a comment right here.